Okay, everybody, another video, and we're gonna replace these fog light lenses. As you can see that rusty stuff in the bottom of it. It's not very clear, the lens. Got some brand new ones from DNA. Show you that in just a bit, the unboxing. Looking forward to that. Can't wait to put these new ones on because get everything nice and clear. Okay, here's the DNA fog lights I'm gonna get. I'll open these up real quick. Alright. Some more boxes. Oh, look at that. They're right and left side specific. Cool. I'll get back to you. Let me open this up and get these out of this box. Okay, here's the one of them. Got that out of the main box. Open this little one. This is the right side. Find out what these look like. Ooh, nice, very nice. Nice and clear, no crap on there. Got a little reflector in the front to make it look like there's light reflecting off that as well. Possibly a little bit brighter. We'll see. Okay, here's the difference. Here's my factory ones. Again, you know how the lens is all pitted because it's been on there so long. A little rust or peelage that's starting to happen on the chrome on the inside of the lens. And also, you'll see that I don't have the little deflector. But on these new ones, look at how beautiful. Nice. So much cleaner. So much cleaner. Alright, I'm gonna get to putting them in right now. Alright, from these nasty looking things. Well, here we go. This is underneath the truck. They're installed. There's the other one. See that? With my V Plus LED bulbs in there. These ones do come from DNA with the incandescent fog light bulb, but you know I don't run incandescent on my truck. I run all LED. Brighter, lasts longer, run cooler. Alright, so I'll show you what this looks like from the front. To these. Beautiful. Look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. I love it. Alright, so these fog lights are from DNA. I'll put that down in the description, the link, and I'll do a little video of it a little later when it gets dark. That way you can see the nice brightness of them. But anyway, that's it. And you see what I have to do to get under my truck. I have to make it jack it all up, make it look like it's pulling a wheelie, just so I can get up under there and work on it. But anyway, alright you guys, I'll get you that video a little later with the lights on at night. Also, the headlights in the daytime running, signal and side marker light lenses are all from DNA as well. So I'll have all of that in the description, and the links in the description, I should say. Alright, some nice looking fog lights. Come on the side a little bit so you can see. Beautiful. Beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful. They look absolutely beautiful. Love them. Again, by DNA. I'll have them in the description. The link will be there. If you guys want to see more, let me know what you'd like to see. Go ahead and like it, comment, subscribe. Like to get some more subscribers, if that'd be cool with everybody. Anyway, I try to do as many as I can. Peace out, y'all.